cereal.
Here you go, Max, your very first cereal. See how you do. Yeah, I'm not going to put it in my mouth, that's for sure. Let's see what happens.
You can eat it. What do you think, Max? You like it?
Can you smile? Give us a thumbs up or thumbs down.
Want to try some more?
Yeah, I like how
He likes the pizza sauce that's on there.
I like how my dip tastes better. Say, Mama just spilled pizza sauce on me at dinner. See, I'm thinking about just eating that. Oh, there we go. That's what we were looking for. That shit is nasty, Mama.
You don't like it, baby?
So what is this?
Honey, it's just cereal. Here.
So what is this?
Come here, babe. Come here. Oh my god.
So there's my gag reflex.
So bad though. What are you drinking?
There you go. That is a good one, bub. Yeah. Look at that.
No more cereal? Okay, baby. Alright.
Yeah.
Okay, baby. Alright, Daddy.
Say, Mama, that was a bunch of bull. I can't believe you just did that to me.
I'm sorry. That's what you call that.
Say, Mama, tell me you're sorry.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
That was so mean of you. Say, I might not forgive you for at least 2 minutes. Yes, sir. It's gonna be a while.
Tell the camera, no more cereal. No more cereal. Alright, babe. Alright, Daddy, that's enough.